A repository is a digital storage space where your project files, code, and complete version history are maintained and managed. Think of it as a central hub where all your work is safely kept and organized. A repository has multiple layers. The working directory is where you actively edit files and create new code on your computer. The staging area is an intermediate layer where you prepare changes before committing them. Your local repository is a hidden .git folder on your machine that stores your complete project history. The remote repository is centralized storage on a server like GitHub or GitLab, where your code is backed up and shared with your team. A commit is a snapshot of your project at a specific point in time, creating a permanent record in the repository. Each commit includes a timestamp showing when changes were made, author information showing who made the changes, a message describing what changed and why, and links to all previous versions. This creates a complete history that you can access anytime. A branch is an independent line of development that allows parallel work without affecting the main project. Multiple features can be developed simultaneously by different team members using separate branches. You can try new changes safely without affecting main code, organize different tasks in different branches, and easily merge completed features back to main when they are ready. The basic Git workflow has 4 steps. First, you edit files and modify your code. Second, you stage your changes using git add. Third, you create a commit with a descriptive message. Fourth, you push your changes to share them with your team. When pulling, you download updates from the remote repository. Merging combines different branches together. These actions form the foundation of collaborative development. Never store secrets, passwords, or application programming interface keys in your repository. Always control access and grant minimum necessary permissions to collaborators. Enable two-factor authentication or multi-factor authentication for account protection. Protect your main branch by requiring code review before merging. Use a .gitignore file to exclude sensitive files and use environment variables for configuration instead of storing them in code. Write clear commit messages that explain what and why something changed, not just what changed. Delete merged branches to avoid clutter and confusion. Create and maintain .gitignore files to exclude unnecessary files from tracking. Create meaningful readme files to document project setup and usage clearly. Limit repository size by avoiding storage of large binary files directly in the repository. Perform regular cleanup routines to maintain repository health. Use descriptive naming conventions for branches and tags to maintain organization. Follow the 3-2-1 backup rule. Keep 3 copies of your repository. Store them on 2 different types of storage media. Keep 1 copy stored at a different physical location. Automate your backup tasks using cron jobs or task scheduler to run regularly without manual intervention. Use incremental backups to save only changed data, reducing storage space and backup time. Store backups in cloud services like Amazon S3 or Google Cloud for off-site protection. Regularly test your backups to verify they are functional and complete. Repository migration means moving your code from one server to another. You can migrate just the current code snapshot without history. You can migrate with complete commit history included. Or you can migrate everything including history, issues, and repository settings. Before migration, notify your team about the timeline. Back up your entire repository before starting. Create a test migration first to ensure everything works. Update your continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines to point to the new location. Repositories provide a complete version history of all changes over time. They enable multiple developers to collaborate simultaneously without conflicts. Branching allows parallel independent development lines for different features. Security must be prioritized by protecting secrets and managing access carefully. Clear documentation through commit messages and comprehensive README files is essential. Regular backups across multiple locations protect against data loss. A well-maintained repository is the foundation of reliable and collaborative software development.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.